Crunchified Clean friends, one of my favorite residential mops is the Liebman Freedom Mop. Link down below where to get it. And Thieves Concentrated Cleaner is fantastic for mopping floors. The mop comes with a 24-ounce reservoir tank that you would add your floor cleaning solution into. What I love about this particular mop is that it's a trigger handle. It's not battery operated like some other mops are. So when the battery goes, I guess the mop doesn't work anymore. This one's just a trigger. You just squeeze it and the solution sprays out. I fill it up with water first, and then I add anywhere between 1 to 2 caps of Thieves Concentrated Cleaner, and that's it. I'm ready to mop. You can use any floor mopping solution in the bottle, but I prefer Thieves Cleaner because it's fantastic. And since it's pH neutral, it does not damage floors, so it makes mopping so much easier. I grab my microfiber mop pads. I put them on the bottom because it has little Velcro teeth so that it attaches easily to the mop pad. And then I mop. Best part is I'm not lugging around a huge bucket. All I have to do is take off a dirty mop pad, throw it in my wet bag, put down a new mop pad, and keep on mopping. And it's great to pre-wet your mop pads so that you're not going onto the floor dry. You want to keep them a little damp before you start mopping. And then use Thieves Concentrated Cleaner. Links down below for where to get Thieves Cleaner and the Liebman Freedom Mop and mop pads. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.